How to make full-length song with Suno AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Suno AI, and over here in the left hand side panel you should be able to find this option of create. Simply click on it, and after that you would be requiring some song description over here. Like you can provide description of a. So after typing up the description, just simply select version 3 and click on this option of create, and this way it would start its work, and just wait for a while until you get your song. And here you get two different options to choose from for the description that you just provided, and right beside your song you would be able to find three different dots over here, and on these dots you would be able to find this option of extend. But you have to wait for a while in order to use this particular prompt or this particular option. So you can also play it up and check out the length of this particular audio, and after that you can click on extend, and this way you would be able to get the lyrics over here in case if you want to enter up your lyrics, or otherwise just simply click on this option of make random lyrics, and this way you would be getting random lyrics. You can also enter the style of the music for the extended version, and this way you would be getting all the parts. Now here you can certainly type the timestamp from where you want the extended version. So make sure that you are typing it up after checking out the complete audio of your song that you just created. And after checking out, suppose you didn't like it after 20 seconds, so you can also type 20 seconds over here, and the extended version will be from the 20 seconds onward. So suppose we want to extend it from first minute and 17 seconds, so we'll just simply type 1 and 17 over here and click on this option of continue, and this way you would see that new song will be generated which will add the extended version in it, and this way you should be able to see it up. Now wait for a while before it completes. Now you can just simply click on the three lines or three dots and click on this option of download, then download the audio, and after downloading both the audios just merge these two different songs, and this way you would be able to merge them and create a full-length song. There are many softwares out there, like you can also use CapCut in case if you want to go with the online version and add video to it. So this way you would be able to do it quite easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.